This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to get a Monday.com free trial. So Monday, I'm on the main site here, and first things first, I do have a link in the video description. If you click on my link, you will find yourself on a page like this or very similar where you can get that free trial. The pages might change depending on how Monday changes them over time, but the important thing is there is no credit card needed, and you get unlimited time on the free plan. Now, what they will do, the 14-day free trial is on the Pro plan. So you will click on Get Started. You will enter your information here, which I'll show you. You can sign in with Google or start to enter your email here. And once you're all logged in, you will get that 14-day free trial with no credit card needed on the Pro plan. You can check out the full platform, limitation free, see if Monday is for you. If it is, awesome. You can stick around and get a paid plan. If not, no risk, you can cancel at any time and you won't be billed. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.